Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can enable row level security or RLS in Supabase so that you will be able to protect your data. So first, you will have to go to your dashboard and then you will click on your Supabase project and then you will have to click on the table editor and it should be visible right here. So you just gotta click on that, and now that you're here, you will have to select the table that you would want to secure. At the top, you will find the RLS button, and you will just have to click it, then enable it. Then, once the RLS is on, you will need to add policies that control who can read or update specific rows. Supabase provides starter templates for common use cases like allowing only the user who created the data to view or edit it. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.